Alright, so that was it, right?
Thank you very much.
No, sir, so where you get that heavy old fridge from? You couldn't get one smaller fridge.
Brutus, I don't like small things. In real life, big things me like. A matter of fact, love.
Ay.
From the big and you have use, I might think that.
I get you.
My fridge big, but it have use. And you can put a lot of stuff in there. Yes, anyway. I never remember if you tell us that the AC want fix. When you come back and fix it?
You never, you know, so me going halfway. Shuffle around something. Oh, yeah, man, don't worry. I have a brother I can send come sort it out for you.
Brother?
Yeah.
The same brother. Where when they
No,
introduced
no,
him
no.
about married and sitting. You're mad?
no, Olive, man. No, man, not that brother. I have another brother, and he specializes in fixing AC units and cleaning them. So, I go send him forward and make him sort it out.
Say did have more than one brother?
Yes, man.
So make you did want introduce that the one day to me when that was so righted.
Look here now. Just know, say, I go send my brother. It is just fine. It is fine. Don't worry about it. I'm going to sort it out for you before the summer kicks in.
Okay.
I'm going to send him to you as soon as
So
possible.
I'm a professional pan them stuff.
Yeah, man, him can be special. Him special that way, the man. Him is a specialist.
Anyway, me can't take this sun. The heat, you see the glare fight, it affect my eyes. So
It's rough.
me I run go back inside, go finish, tidy up and so. So thanks for coming.
Another thing I want to just adjust before you go. You see, I'm glad say now you settle back down, and you know, so we get rid of you know who already. So
Jesus God, nobody point down there so.
no, man,
I mix already for mix.
but down there so gone, man. No worry about down there. Down there is a past.
Oh.
Yeah, then
She gone.
Yes, man. Got rid of, man. Good flush out.
So you have new tenant now.
There's nobody there just yet.
Oh.
There's nobody there just yet. We are going to see if we can find somebody. But then, don't worry about that.
That people
So, I'm
always
just-
one place for
Right.
it.
So I'm just making you at peace, you know, say, oh, I am very sorry again for the inconvenience when it happened the first time. And I can assure you, said nothing like that will ever happen again.
Okay.
You see me?
Okay.
All right, ma'am, Miss Olive. Anyways, I've a person who I'm supposed to meet shortly, so I'll go and run. Take it easy, yeah?
All right, thanks for
All
coming.
right. Yeah, man, later. Come on, baby.
What? How you doing here?
You mean by what me I do run and then you call me?
Oh, did remember in a car right now? I have a lot on my mind.
You mean by what I'm to you?
I'm a mother me.
Hold on there. What you mean by your mother and you? Yeah, and your mother no live together. Like something really wrong, so make your answer for you.
You could ask me in a car right now. Anything I do with this, I had to stop do it.
It that bad?
Yeah, she want me to come out her place. She need me to find somewhere and go. So, a morning time when I wake up, I stop sweep up yard. I not depend that again.
You can't, no, you can't do that, babes. You have to stay. You know, I know where else we go.
Me have to move out her place. So, where me I go?
No, you have to go fix it. Go fix it, man. Don't
Fix what?
fix back your relationship with your mother. Don't come out.
She need her privacy and she need her own space. By the way, you not have apartment around there rent? Yeah, remember you tell me so the girl they move out what day, yeah. Remember?
I don't remember.
Yeah, man, you tell me say girl move out from around there what day, yeah.
I mean, a little bit and chat too much, you know. Why am I saying that?
I want make you say so.
But,
No, I must a reason why you say so.
no, but, you, remember say the apartment have to rent and rent higher, sitting so.
So me and the day I go rent me room. Not tell me for she, cause me not fall.
We are talking, I said, me have my wife
I
in there,
we
you
around
cannot
here
do
so
that.
you live and me live totally different place from you.
Bush have
Nobody
ears.
no know you around here, so. Nobody no know
You'll be
you.
surprised to know. You can't talk to me sitting there, man.
Anyways, yeah, me get the room or what because as we talking right here right now, my mother pack up my things them. I'm happy come out her yard. She said I'm happy come out her yard. So right now me try sort out somewhere for go. And it just come to my mind. I remember say you have apartment renting.
So that's why you call me around here.
No, another time I call you, know. I just call you for me and you talk a little bit. A long time I not see you and something. So what you say, yeah, me get the apartment for go and stay. And if you don't want me to stay at the apartment, I can just move come in your yard. Because remember your wife overseas.
Oh, you can't do that. Let me think about it. Give me a couple months to think about it now.
Couple months. Today, not yesterday. Today, my mother want me move out our place. So it's either me move, come round at the apartment or your yard. So choose.
Alright.
Choose.
Here we I'm gonna make you stay around in the apartment. Little bit though, you know, you can't stay there for no long time, you know, I give you 1 month. You cannot stay, it's a business place. But here what there's rules also. You cannot come around there and come cause no trouble. You can't make nobody know say me are you there. You know.
No, sir, what I'm to you, Brutus?
Me just know so when me hear what me say. Don't make nobody know say me are you there. Because me can't afford for no foolishness going on there.
Alright, so wait, when you want me move around? Today or tomorrow? Cause my mother want me move out her place today.
When night come, you come round.
So me a night owl?
Just do the thing discreetly, no man. And everything you feel loud up, you know.
Boy, you can't act like me a parent.
You can't act that.
Yeah, you can't act like me a parent or something. Look on our yard stay. If me and my mother did a friend, you feel the yard did a stay so? And she want me move out her yard.
It look bad for Tuesday. But you should have did even though you're she not on a good terms, you could have did clean it up, man.
You mad?
You're still in the house.
So me done with this a yard. Now clean up nothing more. Hello?
Who is it?
You can look here for me there, please.
Come in.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. How can I help you?
You can call the landlord for me, please.
Who you? Why me should I call the landlord?
I may beg you a call so me can call him.
The landlord don't live here saying no, you saying tell us I live.
I want a new tenant then.
You?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I may call him. He expect you?
Yeah, I expect me to come today.
Alright, wait there, hold on. Let me call him. Wait there. Hold on, let me call him for you. Wait, hold on.
Alright.
Oh yeah, Brutus, morning. Miss one lady come here so say them want talk to you. You expect anybody?
What she look like?
What do you mean no? Anyway, she begged me a call, so hang on. Me just will give her the phone and make you talk to her. Here.
Hello, who this?
Hello, Brutus.
Who this?
Apple.
Apple, what you doing at the apartment? We tell us if we wait till night.
Come if you come now, man, I has me a girl in your yard.
Come on now with you and look here now. We tell us if we come back in the night. We tell us if we come.
Listen, come if you come, me and a night owl. Me already tell the lady say me I want your new tenant them, so come.
Oh Jesus. I cannot believe this. Look here now. Hey, look here now. Go back out of the road. Go back out of the road and come meet me. Meet me up on the road.
Meet you out on which road? The sun hot and right now me a sweat from head to toe.
Me credit.
Hey, they say you have 1 minute remaining, so have a day. Have a nice day.
Me credit. When you say him come?
Mm-hmm.
Him come over here or you go back?
Yeah, I say I come. Because I never plan to go back in the hot sun. Because you see me already a sweat as...
Anyway, me don't know you, so me can't let you in my house. If I say I come. Stay right here, so if rain a fall, you stay under this.
Alright, ma'am.
If you say I come, me know him, he will come.
Papa, let me hold you something. Oh yeah, fa. Me already reach.
You know follow instructions. What did I tell you? Me tell you if you wait until night. You come and beat down the clients them door.
Wait till which night?
You cannot come and disturb my tenants them.
Eh?
What is wrong with you?
Disturb which tenant?
What do you mean by disturb? It's problem you come here for come give.
You know, so you bag a tenant the daughter so before me enter yard. It's like she smell me a come.
And then you come and beat down the people them door.
No, she was out here. She a look mix up.
Look here now. Me talk to you about this already now. You cannot come here with your foolishness.
Never come here with no foolishness. Everybody have their own opinion.
Where's Miss Olive right now?
I don't know, you know. But even know her name, so.
The lady which you just disturbed in the house.
Why you ask me? Me have camera behind the woman, me have eye behind the woman. The lady gone about her business. If you want her, call her.
I need to know because I cannot afford for her to hear these kind of conversations. She knows that I am happily married.
Miss Alina or Olive no care about us. If you make me stay in the apartment, I know right now, cause...
But you're not even staying up here, so. It's down there, so I was going to let you stay. I don't know why you come up here, so I can't controversy in the place already.
So why we there here, so have a conversation if I down there, so me I go stay? Hmm?
Look here now. Don't come here with no foolishness, you know.
Don't come here with no foolishness, you know.
You really take this thing for a joke. I realize that. Everything, Chris. But everything. I go in for the key. I go in for the key. Just go on down to the apartment down there, son. Come. I come into you. Go on, man. Jesus. It's Olive. Oh. What's he doing here?
I take out my clothes them off my line before rain come.
Okay.
Hold on there. Wait there. When me I come down this series, me kinda hear one little conversation, me not sure. Me no know if what me ears say, I saw it go, but anyway, how kind of conversation that you want the girl in?
It's the new tenant, man. It's the new tenant.
I want tenant?
Yes, man, it's the new tenant, Miss Apple. Yes, man, it's the new tenant. You know, I just never did want to say anything yet because it was not concrete. So I did just hold out a little bit because she never did give me the full deposit. So now that she paid the money.
Brutus, not talk to me so nice like you're nice. Brutus, you know, I notice you enough for me place what me I pay me rent. Brutus, me notice say anybody from anywhere or anywhere you take up and fling in my place. You remember the last time what happened? Brutus, me no want me enough. Me no say, listen, don't get me wrong. Me not judge. Me not assume. I'm just making our statement. Thank you. So, it can go so and it cannot go so. Brutus, you have to make sure who you put in your place, you know. Because me no want it. You notice, say, Fran, the next one gone, me in peace, and me settle down and alright. Me no want me nobody in nothing. Please, me want me clothes them stay on the line in a peace. Jesus. Me want me things them stay in a me place in a peace, and me no want nobody to watch me because me not watch nobody.
It is nothing like that, man.
I me not give no message.
No, man, it's nothing like that, man. Everything is all right, man. She well brought up. She come from good brought up, see. So she all right. You know, our parents them are upstanding citizens in the
Remember, say the
community.
last tenant where you make gone.
Mm-hmm.
The one where you give notice and she fly gone. Remember, say she thief me drives them and she take away everything. Do me the beg you, me nah say that one ya, but you don't know who is who. Me just a say something, but me no give you no message. She go give her, cause me no, she just come and me no want me and her feel no argument, please.
Yes, make we keep it that way there.
Yes.
Yeah,
But
man. But
when me I come down the stairs on the sun like you know in a sick me, I wonder if you know there.
no, man. You see, because it's business and I never did expect her immediately. I never did expect her. She came on me kind of sudden. So that was just a simple case. Me I tell her, say, you cannot do business like that. You know, because I don't want people to assume things. I'm happily married, you know. My wife is just not here. I just don't wear my band because it's kind of getting a little bit tight. I'm happily married, man.
Brutus, all right. You're married, but you don't look like you're loyal. Go take out my clothes them and file line. Later.
All right, miss. All right, miss.
Later,
All right, miss
later,
Ali.
later.
The key are there. Wake up, man. Can't sleep, sir. You see, reach. Just see. You just look drive and you just asleep already. Come on, look here, now, man.
Rain wait up my bed, you know, so, you know, you have to sleep on the couch.
Focus.
Where's that one?
Look here now. You need to go sort out this AC for this lady.
So that's how there.
Right. So I need you to go deal with it. I need you to big man. I don't want you to do anything else. I want you to focus. Just sort out the AC. I hate to say you go jam alpha, right? And I don't want you to go farm full of the people in place. Worse is how many are miserable, you know.
So wait. What you mean farm fool? What, brother, what you talking about?
Hey,
Huh?
all right. Everything, Chris, you know. Everything, Chris. This is your chance now to prove yourself. Say you got all of them long hours there in a Jamal. You learn something.
Yeah, teacher teach me good.
All right.
Yeah, she taught me how to get these work done. You understand? You trust the brother? Yeah. You trust the brother? So tell me something. When we done, if we collect your money?
No. Don't collect any pay. I will pay you.
Brotus. You say, why you go out last time and depend on the Brotus? You understand? Don't give me no little bit of money. You understand, Brotus?
But if you work, you're going to get paid. You're going to get a due diligence, brother.
That you say?
Big brother.
All right.
Nah, go around.
So, all lunch and go.
Which lunch?
What do you mean say which lunch? You think I
What is one pay? Hold on, man. Another have another thing to say. I don't want you to go in there and go look the people in. I cannot afford it because I don't want. I get a complaint the last time, and I don't want to hear it happening again.
No, listen.
Don't look the people them.
That,
Be professional.
that the woman there, she lie. I was not looking her direction. Me lay down asleep because me done work. She had changed her clothes and face me I look on she. I never want nothing under what she a show. You understand?
So who sleep with their eye open?
Listen, I ain't sleep. You see, this glasses may be the problem. I need to change my glasses. I go buy a red one soon. But I don't understand why people looking at me and thinking that all is well. You understand? What me go do now is go do the work. But lunch, can I get a little lunch money?
Here what I'll do. Me will carry lunch come.
No.
I'm going on the road to get it now. I'm going on the road right now to get it.
Brotus. Last time I dead for younger for that place there.
Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. Just go. You have all of your tool, them?
Yeah, that's right. I'm back in the water just in case you return the food.
I'm going to. What kind of food you want?
Eh? Rice and peas and chicken and veg on the side. You understand?
All right.
So later.
How are you?
You mean so me?
How are you? How are you?
My name is Sally.
Who you me say? Who you?
Me, my name is Jasper.
So where you come to?
It means I come from work.
And my name Olive, of course, but who send you to me? Sure say they're the right stop?
Miss Olive, why you disrespect me? Why you disrespect Miss Olive? Oh, come your appearance look nice?
No. The way you talk, the way you look, and the way you walk. Me not think you come at the right doorway.
Alright, here we go. My name is Jasper. Come to fix the AC.
Who for AC? You must be mad to rotted. Who for AC you come to fix? Who send you in this area? Who? What person name?
Brutus, my call and tell me I come fix AC.
Are you Brutus send come to me?
Professional.
Blood of Jesus. You have, wait there. You're certified?
I mean, my trainer, my teacher.
Certificate?
Listen to me, yeah, listen, you now listen. My teacher trained me. I'm very professional, certified.
You
Ready or you not ready?
you're professional?
Yes.
You ever fix any AC before?
Air condition, yes, I did.
A lie.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Where's your name again? Jasper?
Jasper.
Come.
You know what's my favorite color? Green and black.
Your favorite color, green and black?
Green and black. You look nice, not green and black.
Come and show you AC.
I'm lucky door for you, mate. You lucky door for you.
No, me lucky door. Jasper!
Oh, there.
Jasper, come here. It's like you're in the bathroom.
Eh?
Jasper, what are you doing in the bathroom?
What do you mean I'm in the bathroom? Me fix the AC so you can get cool breeze later.
Come here, Jasper. Come here. Come here, may I talk to you?
What happened?
Jasper, when you come, what me tell you say you do?
Fix the AC.
So what?
The AC I run that. And off. And off.
Jasper,
Mm-hmm.
let me ask you one little simple question. But me know how you feel now way. How much somebody in our family stay like you?
What you mean, boy? How much are we?
You don't understand what I mean?
Plumber, electrical worker, chap bush. There's something there. You talk about?
Jasper, me not understand you. Me sure say you must understand what I mean. Your brother, we did come here to me already, you know, but he want to come marry me. A handicap. No, you come for
Handicap you call me?
just
That's
listen.
disrespectful. You understand me?
Listen
You
to
know
me.
how hard we work? Eh? You call me handicap? Eh? What you call me? I discriminate people like me? Eh?
Jasper,
You're tired, man.
You have to take it so,
What mean something to take it soft? Eh? Don't do that, man.
Jasper, but your
Come
brother
to fix it.
handicap and you handicap. How much left in our family handicap? Me not understand. Why Brutus take you and send you come to fix my AC and you're gonna fix toilet? I tell me about you fix the AC for me get cool breeze.
What you mean?
And a toilet you fix. Me send you in the room to fix the AC. You catch in a bathroom.
When me there Jamal, right? And my brother come past me and say, it's time for me start fix up things because me I understand certain things now. Eh? You tell me say, me not up on a level now if you can fix them something there. This year, water heater. Water heater. Oh. Water heater. Are you next one?
Jasper, not do me toilet.
My next one.
Nothing wrong with me toilet. Me tell you AC you're gonna fix toilet. Go on in your yard.
No, you have to pay me.
Me not give you no money cause nothing no do me toilet. Who to telephone and mash up me toilet bowl, you know, make it careful.
No, listen to me. You see, your hanger on your toilet never work. That toilet now it can flush properly. So it come like a God send me a toilet then since, because I never know say at that alone. Me I go fix the AC next.
Go on in your yard.
No, you can't do that. Money come with work. And a pleasure me come offer. You understand?
The door where you walk through come in and some Jasper go on back through it.
No. That not work today. No, it happened already one time when the people them tell me for idiot. Want me pay.
Jasper.
My brother tell me say, no.
Jasper.
No, me no.
Jasper.
Me no. Are you assault me?
Go on in your yard. Me not owe you nothing. Go on in your yard.
Assault me?
Just go on in your yard before me shut your box.
Assault me? Alright, no worries, sir.
Try tell Brutus to me call him right now. You hear me I tell you? Jesus Christ. Lord have mercy. Me and Brutus are going to have it out to send me handicapped brother come here about him a professional. Brutus, you need to come here right now. I'm the outsider wait for you. No. Me don't want to hear that. Me need to talk to you. This is important. It's urgent. Emergency. Come now, because this is serious. No, me don't want to talk over the phone. Me outsider wait for you. I don't know my credits. You can't bother.
What is
Me have a bone to pick against you. Every minute you make me have to call you. Brutus, I am a landlord, but you come like I say I'm here there. The way you act like you're an idiot. Or you want to run my life or ruin my life. Which one? Eh? Me have bone to pick against you, me have read against you, me have everything. Every damn God Almighty thing me have to pick against you today.
Calm down, Miss Olive. What seems to be the problem? What is so urgent that you had to make me turn off from where I was headed? It's a good thing me did I drive close by. What is happening?
Brutus, you take me for idiot, not true?
Why would you say that?
Mrs. You take me for one big piece of dirty papi show. Yeah. After you introduce your brother, when I have no use to me already. Me never know say you have another brother like that. He look worse than the next brother where you show me before.
No.
Why you say? No, Brutus. I this a man where you send come fix the AC is your brother. So the whole of you in a fear generation them stay so how you come so good.
Miss Olive, I would appreciate it. You don't be so derogative to my family members.
Derogative to my family members. Look here, me tell you something. I rent me a pay so.
Yes.
And me have all right. If anything happen to anything in the house, me call you as the landlord to come fix it. You need to get it done. You send this out. Look here, I don't want to swear today. And what kind of brother that you have? Him worse than the next brother where you send come.
You cannot say that. He is very good in fixing things. Him can fix it. Trust me. It may take a little bit of time, and I will admit, he's a bit slow. But he is very smart. He is not no...
Papi, now say that again. Both very smart, but he works slow. Where? When and how? Which summer? Which holiday? You mad? This idiot where you send come over here so. They act like I say, he only put argument to me. He can't even say, me like you good. He can't talk properly.
What?
You know hear my stutter? He can't even make a good pronunciation of no word. So the hell, where am I go? Me show him the AC and he gone in the bathroom and fix the toilet bowl? Like seriously? Him a plumber? Eh?
I don't know. There must be some form of misunderstanding. Probably never hear you properly.
Which misunderstanding?
Where is he now?
Too much of them the kind of people that in your family. And you always send them to me. Nobody will have sense different from you in your family. You could have sent come to fix the AC. Me tell us something wrong with the AC and the AC want fix. You say you send one little idiot brother where you have. We worse than the next brother where you introduce me to both me figure married brother. And me no parent. Who the hell is you? Eh? First you tell me about to the next brother. Me fi married your brother and me no pay no rent. Me say no. No, me want AC if you fix. Your brother come to fix style it. And me show him the AC and me know you must tell him say AC. And when he come, me tell him say AC and me show him. He gone night tell him go fix style it by all the blood of Jesus. Then he don't come back at me yard.
I am very sorry, Miss Olive. I am very sorry. I never know say this had to occur. Okay? Now I will talk to him and I will ensure say him stay away from as I tell you, him kinda slow so really him probably never hear clearly. Alright, now register properly what you said to him.
A schooling nigga, no big old tough kin man. I back at the class in the day. Dunce.
No.
Look here, me no want hear nothing.
Please, no.
Brutus, you're wrong.
You can't
First of all,
brother,
me no want hear nothing about no chastise no brother. You know say your brother no good up here so. You know say no set good. And you send him to come fix my AC. Eh?
But we all
they
need work.
At the end of the day, it look like he know him AC and can fix toilet bowl. Right now, we wreck my toilet bowl, you can't flush.
Jesus. I go and sort it out.
You need to change the toilet bowl.
I go and sort it out. Fret not, I go and sort it out.
All my new brand tissue when they point up at the tank, you make drop down in the toilet.
Oh my goodness.
Soak of water, it cannot use again and you need to buy it back. I need a whole case of tissue for that. I'm not too out of that. Don't send back no idiot to me. You hear me I tell you? I walk.
What is wrong with this? I can't get good health these days, you know, man. Choo.
No, I smell like old woman, you know. Can't stand the woman, you know. Most don't as she a come.
Hello.
Alright, then. Hello.
You alright?
Yeah, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. I just come to give you a welcome gift.
Oh, that's so nice of you.
Yes, welcome to the apartment.
Thank you. So.
I didn't get your name. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Shanice and my friends call me Apple.
Okay. Nice meeting you, Apple. You seem like a nice person.
You too.
Look like a very, very nice person.
And you look like a nice neighbor.
I would like to talk to you more.
Sure.
But I hope you enjoy your welcome gift.
I will try to.
Yes, I do some baking.
Okay.
Very nice cake.
Smell it well fresh.
Pineapple cheesecake.
Thank you.
Yes. So enjoy it, yeah?
I will. You
Okay.
too.
Okay.
Stay blessed.
Thank you.
And what she feet. I would have one I want person do God. A woman in the right it in her head, you know. She don't write it in her head. It's either she could catch me lies or talk the truth. I not eat this. I don't know how she want person.
Jesus, she threw away the cake. No. I have to go around. What kind of wicked person this Brutus rent the place to? She evil. Why she throw away the cake? What she really thinks I could have done to the cake? Me no wicked so.
Miss Olive?
Brutus, what kind of ghetto people them there you care come on the place? Eh? That girl is ghetto. I'm classy. Can you imagine? I gave this girl a welcome gift and she take it and throw it in the bin?
What?
I said, the idiot where you take and carry her, the one where you bring her or carry her, I don't know what you do. Whether you make she did it for free, whether you're on her day, or she's a tenant paying rent just like me, I do not know. But she act funny. Can you imagine? Me give the girl one welcome gift. You want me just say? Me give the girl a welcome gift.
I'm listening.
And me they sweep up my yard, and when me walk go close to the bin, to throw the rubbish in the bin, me see the gift for me give her in the bin. What kind of ghetto style that? Eh? She don't appreciate nothing what me do. Me never have to do it because I don't know her from nowhere. It's just a gift. If she never want it, she could have given me back from the beginning. But me can't say she not come from nowhere and she not used to nothing. That's her first gift in her whole life and she take it and throw it in the bin.
Miss...
You know how much money me pay for that, Brutus?
Miss Olive, calm down. See, I really let me apologize for the behavior of the young lady. And let me state, we don't there. I have my wife. Remember, I'm happily married. Yes? Happily married. So don't go assuming things and them something there. She's a tenant paying her rent like everybody else. Now, what you did was a kind of gesture. I understand that. And trust me, that was really rude of her if that is exactly what she did. That was really rude and disrespectful. I'm going to address it. I promise you, I will get to the bottom of this. I am going to sort it out because I know you did it from the goodness of your heart and I appreciate it for you, for her.
Brutus, I think it's time for you to get some upscale people in this apartment and stop bring hoodlums in the place where they bring down the place and you say a fear building. Eh? A matter of fact, you say you're married. I'm not seeing no ring on your finger.
I'm
Eh?
happily married. I'm very happily married. I just, as I said to you, the ring squeezing my finger, I'm going to get it resized.
No man, and that uno man do. If you're married for true, wish me no know. But call it say you're married.
I have a wife.
Whether you're married or not, call it say you're married. If you're married, why you take off the ring? If you look next woman.
No,
For
it's
next
tight.
woman.
I put on a little bit of weight on my fingers them. So maybe
Brutus, you're
resizing
full
it.
of excuse all the while. I take your take off. If I chew you the talk, you take off your ring. If you look next man woman, if you tell them say you don't have no woman.
No,
You're a
she's
wicked
happily
landlord.
married. I'm going to introduce you to my wife as soon as she
Me,
come from
I
foreign.
never see you with a woman yet, much as wife. Eh?
Yes, I'm
You
going
not see my ring on my finger? Eh?
Let's see.
You're a wicked.
So, no,
More
but as
finger
I said,
too
my
fat.
finger get a little bit of weight. And so I go take it off. But I go carry go gym and make it exercise. And I go, as soon as if it go back down, I go put it back on.
You did hear what I said from the beginning of the conversation that girl where you bring down there, so she's ghetto and I'm classy. So you need to bring one upscale people in at the place.
I'm
Because this is a residential area. We don't need no hoodlums here.
I'm
She a
very
bring
sorry.
down the place.
Aye, aye, aye.
I can't stand her, God forbid.
I'm going
I
to
don't want to hear
I'm going
it.
to Can I dirty behavior this apple come in my place with Chow. Hello?
Yeah?
Come here, please.
Well, wala, may go figure iki for polygram. Well, what's poppin'?
I can see say you settled in and all right, yes?
It's like I'm alone happy to see you.
Look here now. I'm here on business. And you see when I come to this apartment, unless we are inside and behind closed doors, I don't want you to friend me or deal with me like we did. I want you to operate like you is a client.
Oh, so I saw you happy now. So me have to go start collect money for you. Like a client. When you come for illegal something. And that me have to go start do. As a client. Right?
Are you an extortionist or something?
You so know.
But you're in my place, using my light, and all these things, and you want to come charge me?
So you not go down a JPS, go tell them to shut off your light. Your water heater even not work in your bathroom.
I'm coming back to... Hold that point, I'm coming right back to it. What is the matter with you? No, your tenant never had to do it, you know. Miss Olive, out of her goodness of her heart. Imagine, can one housewarming gift come give to you, and you take it and go throw it in the rubbish? What kind of attitude is that?
After me not want your tenant come over me, me not know what she put inside that gift, so me take it that she way.
Apple, what is wrong with you?
And the woman look blasted, mix up and bagga too. Me not like her.
Oh my goodness.
Me don't like her.
I don't understand, you know. Look here, no, man. You cannot operate like that. You have to be friendly and you're going to put yourself on our radar now. Because she go throw away her rubbish this morning and only for find the goodness gift where she give to you in the rubbish bin.
Me not can tell her say you make mistake and throw you out there.
Look here now. Don't bring me in on no mix up. Do not bring me in on no mix up.
First of all, I don't like your tenant because she always a look for me in a some type of way. Like she feel like say she better than me. She not better than me in no way. Not because she a parent and me there so I live for free. All in her name they with you.
I don't want you to say things like that here. I want you to just... You can't just operate like a professional for a minute. You have to behave better. Apple, you want to stay here for a minute? You have to do differently. No, I think you should go apologize to Miss Olivia.
Apologize my box foot. Tell the lady say you make mistake and throw in her rubbish bin. Don't come in an argument with me. Go argue with the water heater where you need for fix. You can't rent tenant like me somewhere and water heater not fix. First and foremost, the AC not blow good. Cause see there, sweater kill me.
Hold on there. So Miss... Remember, you're not paying any rent here. So if you take the initiative and go find somebody to fix it, that would be good for you. I'm going to get my brother come sort it out.
Do that quick and fast.
I'm going to get my brother. The water heater you said not working.
And next time when I come down here, come speak to me in proper and nice, in a nicest way. No come deal with me like say then girl run a back road I talk to.
You're behaving like them. Look here now. I want you to be seen but unseen. Heard but not heard of. You can't act like a ghost.
No.
Live like you know live here.
Mm-mm.
You don't know how to do that.
No.
Look here now. I'm going to send the young man come sort out the water heater for you.
No. Quick and fast. Cause me can't be in a cold water. You know me have to wake up 6 o'clock a morning time and go about my business. And when me a be in a bathroom alone, cold water, I come like a ice no take through in a tank. No man, do better. Warm water for bathe with.
But Miss Apple, a board house you did live in. And which
with
part you
water
did
heater.
live? No,
With
no,
water
no.
heater.
You had no water
Of
heater.
course, me can just go boil little water on the stove and throw in my bath. So yeah, me did have water heater.
So why you can't do that now?
No sir, me I waste too much gas. And the pot them too expensive. So me can't put water in it for boil. A food I fi go in a them pot there, not water. I want some grocery down here too. Once you want me fi live here and be unseen and unheard of, me comfortable. I want grocery.
I never wanted to live here. Is you insist?
Well, now I live here. Unless you want me fi wash the dish and push it down, turn it down, grocery. And we make it cobweb up, you know.
I'm going to get the man to come and look at the water heater for you.
And the grocery too.
I'll send him with something. I don't like your
30
behavior.
grand, 30 grand, $30,000. I know you collect money from the little big mouth woman.
Jesus
We come tell her say, me dash you a gift, go for your rent for her and come give me.
I cannot believe this.
You can keep it 15 grand for yourself and give me the 30. I know you collect it 45,000 man, so just do the right thing.
Do you know about the people in business?
Yes, Tama.
Look here now. I'm going to send the young man. And
with it, remember this.
Christ.
Neighbour, good morning.
Hi.
What?
Me alright, you know. How about you? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. How me not see you from when?
You know, I'm not an eyeglass. My office staying and work, remember? Work online. Call center work is a busy thing. You have to dedicate customer service, answer call. You know, you receive call, tell them the details, all the info and everything. Whatever they call about. So I have no time to waste. I have to stay inside.
By the way, how much I pay for rent?
Eh?
How much I pay for rent? Yeah, you me at
Me?
Yeah.
And I hear say you live
Yeah, years I live.
the same apartment. So why you ask me how much me pay for rent? Then if you are pay rent and me a pay rent, you're supposed to know how much for the rent.
Yeah, me know how much the rent, but
How much you are pay for rent?
60,000.
60,000 you pay?
Yeah. How much you a pay?
85.
See, me know say the apartment them big and different, you know, because over for my side, no have where you have AC and everything there. And that's say you pay so much.
I'm not being disrespectful, but can I ask you a question, please?
Sure.
Why you come and questioning me about my personal business?
Me just ask a simple question and you know, if you go answer, no.
Anyway,
Me just inquire for your friend.
me think me tell you what my name.
Olive.
Yes. So you say neighbor thing where, hello neighbor, I don't like it. So next time when you're going to address me, good morning, Olive. And then me think if me fit answer you say good morning. But anyway,
We may go hang out together. Come. I know you not like your neighbor thing, but come.
this girl.
Then the long motor man upstairs close pin them. No, me I go do. And punish her. But she try poison me with food right there.
I understand. Oh, I mean understand this. Me hang me clothes them on the line with clothespin and now me come back and see clothes and no clothespin. Me not get this. No man, me need to call the landlord. Me can't bother with them problem here, you know. Brutus, me need to talk to you right now. Me there on the line. Yes, me stand up at the line when me close them up on the line. Right now, me a wait for you. Right now.
Morning. Morning, Miss Olive. Why are you showing me these? What is the problem? Something happened?
Right you now, the morning no good for me, so it don't make no sense me answer you about the morning part. You see me close when me hang on the line? Where the clothespin?
Why you asking me for your clothespin, Miss Olive? I wouldn't know where your clothespin is.
You know, pick up what me I say. You can read in betwixt the line. Me hang out, me close them this morning. Now me come back to take up me close them. Me see only clothes and no clothespin. Some would like to know what go on in this tenement yard because me can't take it no more. I cannot take it no more.
So-
So you see all of my clothes pin they were missing off of my line. I don't mind chop more clothes than this me did hang out because me never count them. You understand? Me just wash some clothes and hang out. I know me come back and see only these clothes and no clothes pin. That right, sir?
First of all, are you sure you put clothespin on the clothes them, Miss Olive? Because I don't believe, I don't think it, I don't know how to feather somebody to actually come and take your clothes off, your clothespin off of your clothes, Miss Olive. Why would they do such a thing? That don't make sense.
Why would they do such a thing? And me ask a question there? Eh? Silly question. Why me would I wash my clothes them and hang them over the wire like this without clothespin? And that you have to ask yourself. Why? Them here days here of throwing over clothes online done a clothespin time. And a matter of fact, the girl up here rent where they done this, sir? She look like she not pay no rent.
What kind of stupid question is that? Miss Olive, I don't know what you're implying. You need to talk to me.
Me a imply say, me and the girl stand up a talk and she come and ask me how much for the rent. Then if she in there so long, why she ask me how much rent? That means say she not paying any rent because if she did the pay rent, she wouldn't ask me how much me a pay for rent. She would already know how much for the rent. She not paying any rent.
Miss Olive,
Yeah, Ginal.
Miss Olive, respectfully, that is none of your business. But at the end of the day,
And my business, I mean, she come question about my rent. Someone wants to know where I go down.
I do not know what is happening between you and that young lady, you know. Look here now, you don't keep me out on a business. I don't know nothing about this. You called me about your clothespin. Talk to me. I don't understand what is happening about your clothespin.
Look here. Me don't want to hear nothing from you. Me need back my clothespin them, and if that the girl did not pay no rent, me stop paying too.
I'm not running a party shop here, you know.
Patty shop because it is not fair. And a matter of fact, me need my clothespin. 1 million times me I tell you. Me want back my clothespin them. You hear me I tell you? Me want my clothespin.
I'll buy you a pack of clothespin.
1 pack. You know how much clothes me did hang out on the line?
Jesus
You know how
Christ.
much clothespin did upon it? Eh?
Miss Olive, you want 2 packs of clothespin, I'll get you 2 packs of clothespin. My head, right now, my head is hurting me, and I really cannot take. I cannot be bothered with
start
this.
hurt you yet. Me have a great mind she thief me clothespin them.
Oh my
And a
Lord.
man she have to take off all clothes too. Me don't sure about the clothes, but me sure about the clothespin. But me just can't remember how much clothes me hang out on the line, because me never count them. Me just know say me hang out some clothes and me come back and see so clothes, no clothespin.
Miss Olive.
Look here, I wanted a thief in 10 and take care of me.
Miss Olive. Miss Olive. You should have an idea as to how many clothes you have on the line. You find anything missing, miss? If you don't
Me
see
not
anything
sure.
missing,
Me not sure
then
if-
do not accuse people. That
Accuse.
is false accusation.
No false no in it and no accusation no in it. Listen what me say first before you jump down my throat. Me say me no know the amount of clothes me did hang out on the line, so me no know if none missing. But
Then
me
do
sure
not
say the
say
clothes pin
that.
them missing. And that me say, cause me never count them. You're deaf.
If you're not sure about the clothes, you cannot be certain about the clothespin.
Like seriously, then take a too big old dirty eye them and say no clothes pin on the pan line.
Then,
So
but you're
clothes.
still not certain about the clothes, so then me could have assumed, say, you didn't put no clothespin on the
Brutus,
clothes.
if you know me know, before me keep police come in the yard there for me things the way I'm missing, me tired of it, you get me clothes pin them give me and take off part of my rent. And that me I tell you.
What?
Oh you mean, before me go to your wife, you understand me?
But I don't understand this. How my wife come into no
Me
argument?
figure out where I go on for a long time. You is a liar, you is a cheater, you is a womanizer. You is a womanizer. You.
In the name of Jesus, I am so happily married. What is wrong
Don't
with you?
call Jesus' name in your mix up on your dirty mouth, you
Look
little
here
blender.
now. I stood in front of the pastor and I said, for better or for worse, for life. What is wrong with you?
Hey!
Until death do us part. And my wife is living happily where she is. And I am a happily married man. Look at my finger.
You and your wife married, I don't know, sleep in the same bed, I don't know in the
She is
same house.
away. Miss Olive, we live in a residential area. We cannot be behaving like this.
Res-
This is beneath us.
Residential area.
Look, I will purchase 10 packs of clothespin for you. There's no need for get police involved, and I don't understand why you're bringing my personal business into this thing here. You call me about your clothespin, address me about that now, and leave my personal business out of this. I don't understand. Look, you live in my place, you have to pay your rent.
Hello, me not owe you nothing. But if your carry girl come here, they deal with the girl.
Jesus.
And they act like I said, me not take me too big bulky and then see say you cheat on your wife. So you know want me tell your wife, you come and contract but you will buy me 10 pack of clothespin. Hello, I don't want a 10 pack of clothespin from you. Just buy back 3 pack or 2 pack give me. Me satisfied because me already have a lot of clothespin. But me need to put me things on the line and come back and see them. You understand what I say? Right now, son, burn me because you're your thief in tenant.
Miss Olive, please, have a good day. Just take your time and go relax your brain, come out of the sun and okay yourself, alright? But just come from exercising, having a headache based on this bag of problems. I don't like these unscrupulous behaviors happening.
Shut
These
up.
things are happening
No,
just
you're not in
I don't
front.
like it.
I own no landlord make people disrespect you know. You can't tell me if you have good day. You have a good day when you give me my clothes pin them. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to ask the thief in girl down there so if she take off none of my clothes them and file and me no want you're not in front of you. You're a hypocrite towards your wife and my clothes pin them.
Why you keep bringing my family into this?
Because me I go tell her if you don't give me a yam, no mind chop you have to take off 3 months rent too.
Jesus. Papa, what seems to be the problem here? You see, I can't understand why Miss Olive is under the impression that you come up there and take off the clothespin off our line. Apple, you don't have clothespin.
Me look like me a walk a thief clothespin to your shine head man. Don't me may have nothing. Me not go tell Olive to go look for him clothespin them. Me look like thief to you.
You really want me to answer that?
You can't answer man.
Right about now, I don't know nothing, you know. Because you showed me a total different side of you, you know. A side that I seem to can't understand. Because since you move come here, you're behaving and gyrating as if you run this place. Why you go up there and ask the woman how much she pay for rent? Is that any of your business?
I don't even would answer you. I just wipe off my mouth and put back your word at one place at one part. You see, I need to go upstairs and go tell Longmouth Olive to go find him clothespin them. Cause me and you and Olive never sleep last night. You come and say you don't even say morning.
Say morning for what?
So chew me a catch at your place. I mean, yeah, and give me a little roof over my head. So you feel like you can talk to me anyhow.
Look here now.
Are we wreck this, you know? Oh, careful.
See, this is something I don't understand with you people, you know. You see, once when I get a little inch, when I take a mile. But I will let you know this. The instant me have to come back to you here, so in regards to any of Miss Olive's property, as a matter of fact, did you trouble the woman clothespin her clothes?
Clothes. Me and I wear same size, come me big and fat. Fear clothespin them too small and can't hold my clothes and too thick. So tell Olive say, anyway I'm putting clothespin them in go look back for them. Cause me and you and Longmouth Olive now fresh. Get that?
Look, you say you never take it? Okay. But why would she assume say you take the clothespin? And why is it that you use the same line she using? You don't have your line around yourself for yourself. Why you don't stick to your side? Huh? These are simple things. Then again, you go up there and question the woman about rent.
So me no must inquire about the rent.
For why? It is none of your business.
Come on, start pay rent. Out of your pocket. Is that a problem?
You know, so I feel like you delulu somewhat or somewhere. Is the heat bothering you?
Are you a bother me? You know, so if you come and say me not have fun, at where you black.
This is an utter the disrespect that is coming from you. You know what? I feel like I just want to just shut down this place and get rid of everybody. You know what? I think it best I leave you and go about my business.
Do that, cause I don't want you upset my spirit anymore. I don't want to be disrespectful to you. So take a little time and walk, go back to Olive, but tell the Longmouth woman if you have a crocodile, if you go find her clothespin.
You know what? Let me leave this place.
Miss Apple?
Hello?
Miss
Who
Apple?
that? Who is that?
Wow.
Hello. How are you?
Like a green turn. My name is Jasper. I come to fix your water heater.
Come for fix what?
Your heater water, your water heater.
Me eat a water, me
Your
water eater.
water. I just a color. There's a problem with that. Problem. But don't worry about that.
Yes, I look like I placed the handicap or mad house.
So, what am I tell you something?
Mine a papa figure.
Don't worry about me fix it too. Um, why disrespecting? You don't feel like people like me need to exist? Eh? You feel something not effective? Eh? You feel something can stand to the horizon?
Look at a grill and mind your
I
papa.
say me will fix it.
You know why you fix this a grill here?
Alright, you must say. Come to fix the water heater. Can I get to fix the water heater?
Why money were Brutus send you with family?
He say I ain't gonna send you, but he go a bath and go piss and me walk out fast because I want to come get the work done. So he say one next time.
So, come like a bee handicap running in a family.
Well,
He come like a missile Brutus by a inch.
don't disrespect me.
Don't
Don't disrespect me. Let me go fix the things, miss.
Wait, man, before you enter my house, me have to know everything first.
Like what?
You ever fix one water heater before?
7 of them this week. Today
Se-
Thursday.
So, let me
7
ask
of
you
them.
one another question.
Mm-hmm.
Who recommended to the house?
Brutus.
Brutus ever see you fix one water heater
So why you
before?
not recommend me?
Eh?
Why you not recommend me? What I work?
Me know why you mash up nothing in my house, you know?
Me can't get to my job, miss.
Else, me will mash up your face, you know?
You must say still. Alright. Put phone back aside. Sometimes me have an imagination, you know? Like me I imagine what underneath the towel. Like sometimes if supposed to just
Okay, that's why
drop
me
down.
can't see you them kind of down here, so.
You know what about doing this? I say if you know like a brazier there, a Victoria's Secret mark on it, or you know, how I name?
A Jasper secret mark on it.
A good secret, man. That's my secret, you know. So, basically, we can mingle later and buy a rum on special.
I know why Brutus send you down here, you know, because you don't even look like you can fix nothing properly.
Yeah, talk
You see, next time you tell that man say, anytime me ask you nothing fix man, tell him to come himself, because you don't look like you can fix nothing properly. Watch it, mine not dilly-dally for me.
and deliver
No,
which
you
darling.
drop down for me.
That moment, do. Let's say, we see that. You want the water heater.
Boy, your foot then cracky though.
You know where more that crack there.
I need a pedicure.
Alright, bro, then I'm pedicure first.
Come go in, come fix this something.
You need me, no?
Me say mine no dilly-dally for me, man. But Lord of His mercy, that's for what you do.
What you mean, madam?
This a look like water heater to you?
Yeah. This heat water.
Big box side.
You talk about this here heat water. You want water to get hot? You can drink tea? Put pot on it. It not work.
But Lord of His mercy, I be handicapped running a Brutus family.
Hey, don't you dare do that.
Jesus.
Don't you dare. Oh, you can't handicap. Me, you can't handicap.
Then
Listen,
listen,
you that tear down pipe for me.
listen to handicap man. You come in here, you come mash up my stove. You know, say your brother go buy back.
Mash up a stove.
You know, see what you just do. You throw down water and I something them.
Listen to me. This
Brutus
is.
never tell us your water heater you have to come fix. What
Yep.
this look like on a stove?
You can't listen? Are you not listening?
Me no want hear not what you have to sell it for handicap man.
Handicap, you call me.
What you mean?
Me
Look
him
on your
handicap.
body.
For which body? Look for you.
Jesus.
Eh? Right now, the only thing you want, I just because you see, me know say something big under the towel there. And that's the only reason why I give you class, you know.
You make sure, me make sure call Brutus clear. I fi fix back my stove. You know close me and your brother be little handicap.
How close? Very close?
Me make sure I go make your brother. You see everything we used to get from Brutus, I go stop.
Alright. Yeah, well, don't worry about that, man. The work out things, man.
Not touch me, man.
Listen to me. We are friends, you know, Apple. Apple. So you see, I go. We can work out things. We are going to fix up about everything all night. Don't tell about us, please.
I'm not going to tell him. Listen, what I want you to do for me. One lady the upstairs. You know a big mouth woman that live upstairs. What's your name again?
Olive.
Olive. Want you go through her window for me. Want you go in her house.
A thief, you John?
No, sir, you're not going to turn no thief, man. We just go borrow or something then.
But
Yeah, we go borrow or something then.
I don't know that it shouldn't happen, but my life always feel like a jail business.
I want me make Brutus stop. Yeah, everything.
Alright.
I make you fix back your stove. I'm want you put Olive stove through the window too. You know have the same stove, so we're going to switch the stove.
Listen to me. Apple, you go too far.
Oh.
Too much things. We do one at a time. First thing I say, you think me can get a little close sometimes?
No,
After-
me you can't get no closer.
What you
But
mean?
just do what more you do first.
So I just say you use man I want security.
Nah, use it.
So how you go then? So how can I friend say I'm Brutus is? How close? Tell me now.
Listen me. More you put on back then on my stove and go do what you have to do. Like look like say I'll take out my parts.
No. You don't take out no part. Me that. I don't do it.
And then I
like
have to go come feed to bring you back down
Back down.
bring you up Olive. Because I want Olive stove. Me and I have a stove.
Alright, you must say. You can give me just one touch. Just one touch.
No, just go do it. Come out of my house, man.
Just one touch.
Come out, you damn blasted handicap.
So I see a deal.
Come out.
Oh, you feel see a deal?
You're free, see.
It's alright.
You're a handicap.
Go on, you're gonna watch you.
Handicap.
Coming here every single day from them moving. Apple.
Yeah? Who that?
What is happening now? Why you call me down here so urgent?
Oh, you have to do that, man. Oh, you have to do that.
What you talking about?
Me not tell us if you can fix the water heater.
I said my brother come down here to come sort out the something.
Oh, you have to send handicap come fix something for me.
You cannot be disrespectful like that.
I never know, say, as much handicap running in your family.
Jesus.
You send the man come fix water heater and in reach in the stove. Hey! I know me can't believe. You have to go fix his stove too, you know, because he remove some parts from out of his stove, out of the oven. You have to go fix it. Because you have to fix water heater in a bathroom and you reach in a kitchen. Make it make sense.
Alright. I'll sort that out. Jesus.
It come like all the handicap miss you by an inch.
You call me down here to be disrespectful?
See me too? No, sir. The man want to fix my pipe instead of a water heater. And you did for come. You send the man.
What you talking about?
Because I did want you give me a little plumbing too.
Look here now, you cannot say these things. What is wrong with you? Come out here in towel and talk about you want plumbing.
Yeah, I did want you know, start up the engine.
Apple, I cannot be doing these things. Look here now, when I come link you. You can't want to sort out in the middle of the day and these things. I have other business operating, you know.
You know what? Even the money, you never send the money. What kind of style that?
What you mean I never send the money?
You never send the money, come give me.
I gave the man the money to bring to you.
And you not give me no money?
Jesus.
So you mean for tell me say you give handicap money for give me?
Stop calling my brother handicap.
So you don't
He
feel like
is slow. Stop calling him handicap, and the worst case scenario, call him special.
So you tell me say you give one slow somebody money if you come give me 30,000 and I feel like saying take you give somebody or lassie. You want a conk in your head. You know so me feel like say your brain handicap though. It might not show up here but your brain handicap.
You know, sir, I'm not going to stand here and take this. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Fix my plumbing system.
I don't have any time for that right about now. I'm going to have to take a rain
Alright,
check.
you know what me going to do? Me I go call your wife. Me I go call your wife and make sure know say you have woman down here.
Where you get my wife number from?
No worry your head.
Hello, look here
Me,
now.
I go call her and make she know say you have woman down.
But I have things to do.
So me no want little plumbing.
I'm going to have something to deal with right at this moment. So hear what? Later on when the night come down, because I don't want the tenants to hear or see me coming out of your room, you know. So later on when everybody gone to bed, I'll come back and come give you a proper sort out. Have no fear, man. I'll go and fix your business. Alright?
Come like me fi go make it handicap come fix my business. Have a evening, nice evening. Now that chat foolishness.
They're just pressuring one max.
Brutus. Out the road, you go?
Yes, I'm going out the
You
road.
can drop me out the road?
I can't drop you out the road, man.
No, come here a little bit. Wait first. I want to talk to you first before me leave.
Okay. What seems to be the problem, Mr. Olive?
I don't like fasting on people's business, you know, so nobody thinks that me are fasting in your business.
Really?
Anyway, me notice that every minute you go at the new tenant there. Why you go down at the new tenant they yard so often? How?
I don't go there more than the norm. I come to your house just like I go to everybody else's house to check on them and ensure so everybody's all right. The tenant is new, you know, so just trying to ensure so they settle in properly.
So how you go down to go do this time?
She had some plumbing issues, and I go sort out the water heater for her.
You a plumber, Brutus? A long time I live here, so I know you. Good while now. Long time I know you. How when you turn plumber?
See, I send my brother go down there, and him do something wrong, and I just go correct it. So,
You see him, brother?
Miss Olive, please, let us not get into it.
Brutus, I don't trust you. And you look like you're lied.
Why would I lie? What is it I need to lie about?
Nobody else not on the building where you can go check if everything alright in the bathroom and kitchen. You have to go there so all the while. Down there so. How so?
But I check all my tenants them.
You never come check me. The only when you check me is me call you. If it's something important.
But Miss Olive, you call me 24/7.
Me have to call you. Because if me come out now and did go out the road and never see you, I would call you. Because I see you down there for a long time, I look through my window. Anyway, me can't bother to wait so long. I have something else to say to you. I dey or now I dey for my 15-minute break. Remember say a call center me work.
So, but
me
is
so
you
want to go
stop
back
me?
online. What?
Is
Yeah,
you
me
stop-
stop you.
Yeah, so come
I
on.
better go to the road and come back.
Miss Olive, you say for also remember that I'm happily married. You know? I say there. Big man, Papa I tell me say you're there on the road. I really don't say you there. You know, say me reach up at the yard. And Papa I tell me say you are go down at the bar, go dash out money from bar if you carry home woman. What kind of, how you get, first and foremost, where you get money from, Jasper?
Work.
Work. So, who pay you?
You not pay me, so I must pay myself at some point. Eh? All day I don't my place, I try to eat some food and I can't get enough food, so some forward.
So, hold on
Get
it.
hungry.
You really are tell me say the money when me give to give the woman you take and a splurge out down here?
Yeah, business for deal with.
Where recite there? Give me recite.
Me left it down, sir.
Cheese peace. Look here, no big man. Me can't understand this, you know. After me reach down at the apartment, you, first and foremost, you spend 12 years at Jamal. 12 years, you know.
And what?
And say you get certificate, level 1, 2, 3, go all the way at 30. For fixing AC units and all these things. Me say if you fix the water heater and the pan stove.
Something wrong with you? So you mean water heater? What water heater? The stove you use and heat up
But
water.
cheese peace.
What you talk about?
See me dying child. How would them teach you, Jamal?
Water heater is used to heat stuff, and fire is under the stuff to heat the stuff.
Take back your money. Go back for the money. So much years, and you don't know say water heater different from stove.
So watch it, I warm up.
Hey.
What's the difference with it?
Jesus Christ.
Brother,
You mash out the people them store big man.
They must
No,
be-
me have to
hey.
go buy back.
I must be bigger, you know. Don't talk to me, sir. Don't address me like that. I'm bigger than you. You understand?
Big brother. You mash out the people them stove. You have to go give me the money when me give you now. Figure buy back the people them stove.
All right, here we go. Do. You see me carry you home for 7 weeks up here. We'll just cancel it.
7 weeks I pay for what? Remember say you mash out the people them toilet the other day, you know. So how much still owe you? I have that to deal with. Plus me have now the people them store for go buy back.
Oh, no.
No man. What kind of
When we go in, listen, there's explanation. Every situation. When we go in there, figure take a pee-pee, the toilet not flush. So me start work there so. So she always fix the toilet there. So she never tell the full story. Then afterwards, me ask her a question.
the toilet not flushing?
Me ask her a
Everything
question.
will come up instead of going down.
Me ask her a question. Apple. What your Apple in? What kind of business you Apple in? Apple say she in a business. What kind of business?
Oi.
Eh?
Don't matter come try change the conversation. Me and Apple doing nothing. Don't matter come question me about Apple business.
So yeah, she in a business.
Me and she doing no business.
So,
She's a tenant.
Apple tell me say she in a business and she know you more than the ordinary. So how don't that go?
How you manage to have that information that's so accurate? And you claim say you can't deliver a straight message.
I mean, are you think that? You are listening.
You know, say you take away for one piece of it. You know, some more I don't think nothing wrong with you.
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you?
Yeah, and you know, for the on a serious note though.
You want
One reason why I'm not three all mad right now, you know. She never did forget that money there for you, you know.
So, I give you one money. Where's your tenant?
Nah, well on there.
Me buy.
And also.
So what you say about that? Eh?
Because listen to me. You see that argument? I'm gonna bring it up. As a matter of fact, forget it. Don't remember nothing what you do. Don't remember nothing what you say. Yes. Act like you never did none at all.
What you talk about?
Big man, same way so.
Uh-huh.
You see when time I send you up on our work, please me I beg you, go fix what me tell you for fix. Don't trouble nothing else.
All right.
Please. Cause it go cost me. I mean I want to pay for nothing when me not mash up. Alright, sir?
Different that say that sir.
So how much of the money in your already?
What you talking about? You say we forget everything.
What you doing here?
No,
man.
can look for.
The one place where me think say me could have been free from the stress of this apartment and all of them people in my life.
Stress. You not see nothing yet. Right now, I you me a walk. I look for tell you say I'm pregnant.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, listen. Take time talking about them, make nobody hear you. What you talk pregnant?
I'm pregnant.
And for what?
No you.
Me never say for who, me say for what? Why you feel pregnant?
Ask yourself that.
Look here, no man. You cannot do them something there. Why you feel pregnant and not ask me?
Oh, you forget me pregnant and me no know. Did you ask me?
I say if you take time talk, you cannot say them something.
Me get one microphone.
What you talking about? You cannot be loud
Me
like
a
that.
breed.
Jesus Christ.
One thing more I make you know. You see 1 month stay where you say me have to stay apartment, it a go become permanent. But just want you to know.
I will.
About stress. You stress more than me? Right now, I want one house, one different house to stay in. Yeah, I rent one nice apartment for just me, myself, and I. I want one car where me and my picnic can.
Look here. You don't even sure if you're pregnant. You come make demands. And so this thing you go.
Listen, I'm 100% sure so I'm pregnant because I miss my period. If you don't want to work with this, I will bring you to court.
Well, something I forgot go on because me don't know about that. Me I forgot really think. From how long now you're pregnant?
From the last time when they come check me and I remember.
Alright. Alright, Apple, alright. We're gonna sort out this thing and we're gonna sort out this thing silently. Listen to me. You say if you're seriously pregnant and if you do pregnant, make sure so you not walk and not tell nobody, you know.
Who me fi tell?
No carry up and not tell nobody what business, you know. Look here now, remember some is a married man.
Yeah, your
Oh,
imaginary ring.
no worry about it. I just be fat for finger swell. So just remember
Me
that.
married too, so me ring there.
Look here now, I don't want no, me will take care of what me fi take care of as long as you say you're pregnant. But just please leave my name alone. Don't tell nobody nothing. Alright? Now go on where you go. Let me
Just
sit down in
make
my
sure
peace.
you make me, listen, just make sure you make me get what me forget. Else me I put this on the top of the light post.
Jesus.
One big sheet me I get and write it on it. You hear that? Alright, have a nice day here. Mr. Stressful, imaginary ring. Boy,
Oh
you
man, if you
married.
have a nice day, then come do man, them sit here.
Hello, Andy. I mean Jasper. Now me send you out. I go to the gate I go. Come here, man. Come now, man.
Me never want to go now, eh? I'm just check the gate and lock the gate.
And the gate lock.
Where you say I go on?
Give me something them, man.
Hold on now, you rush things now. Why you move so fast? Huh?
So now me send you out.
Yeah, but you know, I'm going to talk a little bit now.
Give me a bag.
Oh, yeah.
Give me a bag now, mind they see me and you want no say I me send you go teach
So,
you, man.
no, don't worry about that. My back broad.
Give me bag.
What me I said to you is, hold on, where you got a style. You know, if you go on so sexiness. Relax now. Where you going so? We have fight for the bag for.
You know me like you already, you know. Give me bag, man.
So hold on.
And that one, so.
So when you say like me, like how like me?
Like with there with you.
Woo!
Now your brother not there again, you know.
Eh?
Now your brother not there again. Now you me I go there with now.
You serious?
Me I go there as of today.
Yeah, my brother did they?
Yeah, you never know that.
Never know that.
You're really handicapped in here. Oh, you never know that. You feel like me did a parent?
And that one?
I'll know me still not parent. Your brother is an idiot.
You know you have one tendency to like
I tell him I'm pregnant and I'm don't pregnant. Yeah. Boy, I'll give me money and be things.
Careful, you know, cause they may touch that kind of, and dangerous.
Your body feel good.
Whoa! Oh, Jesus. All right, take it easy.
Yeah, behave so like you're not used to
I'm not
nothing.
used to them touch it from you. You know? So yeah,
touch.
tell me something now. Me go take it serious then. I mean, I come in the house and come do sometime.
When I reach that part there yet. No, so I want to tell you, say, you know, your brother an idiot, because I tell him I'm pregnant and I don't pregnant. I tell him my mother kicked me out of the house. And my mother not kick me out of the house. I just take out my things and walk out. Because I want to come down to the apartment. Yeah.
So in just sort you out like that.
Just like that.
So alright, enough of my brother business. So more know when we can come in.
When I reach that part there
So
yet,
when
man.
we are them want go.
When I reach that part there yet, man. Me so make you know when we can reach that part there. When I reach this yet. In the next couple minutes, me we tell her what I go on. Me I decide what me I go do now. Cause me feel like say your brother I go find out sooner or later, you know.
But what me and you?
But me not care.
What me and you?
But everything what go on in the yard, what you say? So I go in the house and go sort out the bag you know. So you can get your share and me get my share. Me know you like the touch and that's why me not stop touch you so.
So alright, so later on I come back. And
Yeah man, I can come back later man. That if me there.
Yeah.
Cause you know me do my little thing. I stay one place too long.
Alright.
So me go in, go sort out the bag.
Yeah. I just call me.
Yeah man.
You hear?
Bag do even feel like what me want you to do
Everything.
about. No man, you not feel like where's stove there when me did tell you if you take two.
That's a later on. Don't worry about that. The heavy.
Make sure you know.
My back when I hurt me because I do some work. Some of the take you. I go back for. Alright?
You not bring no bag come give me, you know.
No.
If nobody come ask me, if.
So give me a hug now.
No. Remember, you know, you not give me no bag. Me not know you. And you don't know me.
So I know some get some more touch.
Good morning, Mom. So what you say is the problem?
Good morning. I went to the gym,
Yeah.
and when I came back, I realized that somebody broke into my house and stole. I can't recall everything, but
So wait,
them well on there. But
Mom. So how you supposed to call a police and you don't know what is stolen?
I know what's stolen. Maybe I don't remember everything now, but it is a army bag full of lots of stuffs in there. Clothes, shoes, everything inside there.
So what you want me to do, Mom?
Officer, want
Yes.
just solve the case. Me call you to talk to you about what happened.
But Mom, if you don't have the information for me to know, how am I going to solve the case? What? Come on, man. Tell me the story.
Officer, you see you hear or see anybody a sell any stolen goods? Am mine.
Really?
Yes. And me suspect the new neighbor.
Why you suspect her?
Because she a thief and she bad mind. All the while, me put me things them on the line, it miss her for a long time, and me know say I did she. Me not too sure if I she know, but me suspect her.
You're not too sure.
Once a thief, always a thief.
Okay, cause to be honest, I remember your face. There was a last case that there was a young lady that was. What was she doing again? She called police saying that they were scamming. Well, I don't know why you're involved with so many bad mind neighbors. You sure say you're not the bad mind one? I'm just
Officer,
asking a question. I'm just asking.
officer, how where you come for do? You come for assist me or you come for accuse me wrongfully?
Well, I come to do my job, man. But don't worry, I will do an investigation and I will let you know.
Me can ask you one question, sir?
Yes,
What is your name?
Officer Cockett.
Who put you in the force?
Well, I put myself in the force. I'm going to soon become the commissioner. And I live right over there, so if you need anything, you can call. But, by the way, scratch that. Why would you always call in the police station?
We have rights. Civilians have right to call police if we need help.
Don't feel like police have anything else to do? Well, you don't have to answer that. Have a nice day, Mom. And don't worry, I will do an investigation.
Olive.
How would that touch
Olive.
about Olive?
Miss Olive,
Brutus, flower.
come here, Miss. Come here, Miss Olive. Me just get a call a while ago.
About what? Your padded?
No, me here said police there at the apartment. What police there at the apartment I do?
That you frightened me about?
What you mean?
I me call police over here.
What jeez? Miss Olive, you don't normally call me. Why would you call the police? What happened for you to call police?
You waste my time every time I call you. Me left me cook food in my house. Me cook me shrimp, cause through me come family them a go come visit me. You know we are going to have one little reunion. You see little reunion where we are keep? You know go bother keep. No union can keep. You know why? Me left me food, the juice and everything in my fridge in the pot, everywhere put on the table, well copper set. And he missing.
What?
And my mind tell me say like a thiefing girl we have down there so we are chat about she a tenant and she a parent. And my mind tell me say she thiefing. Me have no look here, Brutus, me have no time did fi call you now. The way my heart a bubble me can't take it no more, me have you up to you. So the first thing coming in my head is to call the police. Because every time I call you, come like they come to me. Yes, you come when me call you, but when you come you talk to me and then me not say nothing. Nothing nah happen, nothing nah done. Me tired of it, man, so me have to call the police.
No, Miss Olive, man, but you normally would have called me.
Yes, it look like you're deaf. Me always call you and you ever come.
But you
But when you come and me explain to you, me not see nothing deal with.
But you
The
should have called me
situation
first.
stuck right there so. So you know make no sense me did call you. So this time me call the police.
When police to come over here, and I remember police come the last time and them a come back again. I don't want this to be a reoccurring when them a come at the apartment, Miss Olive. It don't look good for business.
If you're a landlord, act like a landlord.
But I am your landlord and I mean you should have called first before you call the police them.
Me don't call the police already hour. Them all lock you up? Are you TV?
But Miss Olive, I
Bruce,
just...
are you coming to my house and thief out my food?
Miss Olive, shame on you
You
for going to
realize
say
me
that.
never tell you say you. Me know say I know you. Me don't tell you what my mind tell me say already. And you need to go sort out. Look here. Brutus, as me tell you, me tired for call you. Me tired. Sometimes I wonder if you tired for me call you.
Me tired.
Yes, that's why me call the police, because me realize say you're tired of me calling you. Anyway, I know Uncle Food missing there.
I was about to ask you if I only the food missing why you behave so.
No. I know only food, because maybe mother just take it and say I'm hungry, he idiot hungry, make him take it. So mother just make it go on. Me miss some jewelry, me miss some clothes. You understand me?
Christ.
Yes. And maybe other things missing too, but me no know what yet until me see say gone.
can't do
Anyway,
this.
Brutus, when you go check the camera? Check the camera. And you will see if I lie me they tell.
I
Yes.
can check it. I can check the camera.
Please can you do?
I will do that, Miss Olive.
Okay,
As soon
thank
as I
you.
go home, I go and check the camera.
Thank you, sir.
Because I can't check it right now.
Okay.
Right. But as soon as I leave here, I will do just that. But if you have further future references, Miss Olive, and I just appreciate you, just give me a heads up. Just link me first.
What that you talk about? You
Please.
see any the girl take me things because my mind tell me say she. Remember say, and the police all courthouse I go involved in it, come here swear. Me I get me lawyer upon this. Me serious.
Let us hope that it doesn't have to reach there. We can resolve it like human beings. All right?
If me even figure sell it 2 donkey then when me have any 2 hog and 2 goat, if pay the lawyer, I am going to get a lawyer and swear for everything. And she have to pay me back me hog and me goat and me donkey money. Brutus, me don't talk. See there, my family can't come again. Me can't go for keep it. None all. You understand? No family get together, me cannot keep it. Anyway, you know what you need to do? Go check the footage. Check the footage.
I am going to do that. I am going to do that, Miss Alice. Rest assured, me I go sort out that.
What you gonna do?
Me I go check the footage, Miss Agnes. Stress this man. Sure. Jesus Christ. What the wicked boy? So now me handicap. No me. Chop. What you doing at people in my house, man? Jeez, I'm peace. Calling this boy. Jasper, where you there, Sado? Why you doing up there, Jasper?
What you mean why I'm not here? What you talking about?
You normally there home them hours, yeah? Why you there, sir? I see why I not see you from morning, you know. Yeah, man. It's almost as if you try to hide from me.
Me?
Yeah, man.
So what? Me afraid of you?
What?
Me afraid of you?
You're afraid of me. But I know what you're up to.
Wait.
Jasper, you know me have cameras down at the apartment.
I make a commission.
You know say me have cameras by the apartment. Cover every single place.
What I
so
mean?
me can see where people go in and go out, Jasper.
Not sure me no want to
What
see
you
nothing.
mean by no one shit? Sure nothing. Jasper, what you doing at people in place?
How you get this?
What you... Again, you acting like an idiot because me tell you say me have camera all over the place.
And me I call idiot? I idiot you call me?
I'm not saying you're
I
an
try.
idiot, you know.
Hold on.
But this act is a stupid act.
Which
What
act?
you doing at people in place, Jasper?
I know.
You eating all the people in food.
I know me that.
Who else have this handicap walk here?
How you call the cap? And me I call the cap?
No.
Eh?
This.
Me's a bigger brother, you know.
I agree. But you're making foolish decisions. What kind of thing that you're going to the people in place just but you're taking out food and jewelry?
That look like me. That look like me.
What you mean?
I know me that.
See the glass there?
And one glass make?
See the walk there?
How me I don't walk?
Are you alone walk, sir?
Which so?
Jesus Christ, me can't believe. Who else go there here like that?
Brutus, let me tell you this, Brutus. Whoever, we're living in the internet days where people can use AI and create things. You believe that? With computer generated right now, people use face thing and put on that and make and frame me.
So is my camera a frame you?
Yes, so who get?
Is
Who
directly
get
from my camera it come from?
But who get?
Nobody no give me it at my house it a come from.
Computer get. A computer get.
Jesus
Work have a
Christ.
computer.
Jasper, me cannot even go show up. Me can't even go show Olive this. God, this a incriminate your boss, man. A prison this a send you, you know. You know see that? Wait, Jasper, me see you thief out food and you don't hungry. What you do with Miss Olive clothes?
You remember one day you see a car lunch come in a carry come?
Jesus Christ. But that day they gone long time. This is a total different day.
Me still not see me then.
You cannot go in a people place and take out them food and then look there.
So
Red-handed that test and all jewelry. What you spray the people them cologne for? Me cannot do this anymore, Jasper. Jasper, me fed up to here. Me had it up to here. Years now, you know. Me I take care of these situations. Remember, you know, brother. Papa is set a feeling problem. And me I try sort him out. You have your shortcomings and me I help you. And it's like, you just run me right to the ground, big brother. I can't understand. Miss Olive, don't stop calling me phone. Then the one, she's peace, man. The new tenant, she know what tell me, say she pregnant. Everything just have tumble over upon me. It's like everything just has stressed me out, big brother. Me cannot do it. Me cannot manage it. So hear what? Me come to a conclusion, me make a decision. Me have to go cut you off.
Cut me off.
Yeah, man, me have to go put a stop. Me have to cut you off, brother.
What do you mean cut? Like cut?
Cut.
What do you mean?
Put your... Separate myself from you.
I will separate when you trying.
Well, me a distance myself. Me a put some space in between us because me cannot afford for you stress me out no more.
Brutus, what you say?
You're stressing me.
So what you say?
Me?
Don't call the phone and listen.
No, don't ask me for help. In no way, shape or form. Me cannot do it.
But you talk, and I'm stress you out. I'm stress you out?
Oh, you mean you...
Oh, let me stress you out. Eh? What you call stress? You call me stress a big brother? Eh?
I cannot do it. Me have to cut ties. I'm sorry.
Alright, you are going. Yo. I bet you never know, say, it pitney why you woman are pregnant and of your pitney. No baby no did enough for your pitney. Because...
How you know that?
Because Apple sent me to your house.
Jesus.
Apple sent, she sent me and she come close. But we're not close like this. We're close. But she sent me to your house and say, do this, do that. And believe it or not, believe your big brother and run through runway. Yeah, man, and not put him out. This a woman is dangerous. Because see how she set me up for my brother, turn upon me, kick me out and I done all with all cut all ties.
Jesus Christ.
So you never know what I'm sitting there?
How me fi know? And these are the very same things that give me grey hair.
Oh yeah, I trust them woman, I'm not want to. You never know, so never trust them. Eh? What do you think me on a woman? Eh?
I'm going to sort this out, you know. I'm going to sort this out.
Better sort
I'm going
it
to
out.
sort this out.
Oh yeah, come on. Give me one drink then.
Hello.
What happened?
No. Come want me, you know. Open this.
What am I pull the grill for?
I need to talk to you.
I walk one.
What you mean by wagwan?
You gonna mash my finger? You must say you gonna mash my finger. What happened?
You see, for the little time you there, I've been stressing. Me I lose all my hair out of my head, Miguel.
And not my fault.
What you mean and not your fault? Apple, me I go ask you this question straight up. Is you send Jasper for going at the people and broken at people in house?
What you take me for? Me look like a thief to you? Me your handicapped brother friend? You see me I walk a keep friend with handicapped man?
Apple. So, what you try to say? My brother tell lie upon you.
Of course. Your brother a big liar.
Is that so? So how him know them things there?
Know what?
How him know say the woman now go there at certain point in time? Are you alone? No, say she now go there home because my brother no come down here.
Your brother there before me.
Him don't come to the apartment.
So you feel?
Apple. I now go believe you over my brother, you know. Alright, here one now, Apple. It look like you beat around this bush, you know. Listen me. My brother Jasper. Tell me, say, are you send him going to the people in house?
Me? After him coming, I come mash up my stove.
Apple, the man a tell me everything. You know what also me find out? Your mother never put you out, you know? Is you come out on your own. Me's not no idiot. I'm a brother not
lie that.
going to make
I
up no
lie
fabricate,
that, I lie that.
no message. I lie, my tell.
A lot of things your brother fabricate and tell lie about. Just like what they hear when he get the money for give me and not give me.
No man, ignore the part because the money no matter worry about the money. You hear what me I say? You're going to have to leave here so by the end of the week. And it's either you're going to leave by will or you're going to leave by force. Either way, you're coming out. Because if me take the keys them here, the doors and the grill cannot be kept closed. So just know what you do from now. Please and thank you.
Remember some pregnant in a Brutus? Remember some pregnant?
All that too, that card played out. Him tell me say you're not breathing. Him tell me say that never happened. Nothing like that. You sit down and tell me, brother, everything. You never think him that go tell me. You never know say blood thicker than water.
I lie my tell pa me, I chew him a look me, and I tell him say me no want no handicap. Tell your brother not tell no lie pa me.
I could care zero what you want to say right about now. Your dolly house?
Your brother is a little dirty man.
Your dolly house mash up. I want you out of this place by the end of the week. Me no need no form of argument from you.
I don't come out, you know, because remember say I'm pregnant for you.
But you know, you can't, that pregnancy card played out. As a matter of fact, we can go do a DNA test right now and solve this once and for all.
Do DNA test so you don't believe say you get me pregnant?
No, I don't.
You don't believe say you're a child?
Look here now, you have been lying from morning till a night now. I just need you out of my place.
And a night now or evening.
I just need you out of my place. So understand that. Okay?
I don't understand nothing, no, you just say. Because what you just say to me, one just go through the years and come back through the next. Sure, I gotta tell your wife, you know, that me I tell you everything me I tell her.
Right now, I care zero. Do whatever what you want to do.
I care zero and you see all the cake and keep him. I can always cut key for them, yeah. All that there too. And me, make sure I gotta tell your wife, me I go call her when I go in. As I go in, me I call her because I get her number. Me don't know if you ever hear about wrong and strong, you know. Me that. Keep the key.
We know if I your place.
Keep the key.
We will know if I your place, yeah?
I mean, who on your son now?
That's what I want.
Sir, don't ask me any questions. Why you even call me?
You know, long I've been calling up by the station for various different reasons just to get somebody come sort out the situation. It's a good thing you live right there. I never even remember. But yeah, man.
Wait, come. Tell me what is the situation?
Mr. Officer, I have a tenant that don't want to come out of this place, yeah.
Why?
And I need you to get her out of the place.
Sir, this is not usually police work, you know. This is rent board work. You don't call me for these foolishness. You're lucky somebody live right there, sir.
I understand, Mr. Officer. But don't worry yourself, man. You can sort out a thing for you. You don't know how the thing.
So which one the thing there?
Have it in the vehicle, man.
No, man, you can't. Next time, do not call me unless you have the money ready.
It's ready.
Because I have a firearm right there, sir.
That's not necessary.
Maybe not necessary.
We just want to get her.
Yes, me get her. But by the way, I go want a room, you know, because sometimes you might want to carry on the car. You know.
So when I can
So you want the thing now? Yeah, man. This one look like a shot. Next time, do not call me unless you have 100 toes already.
Jesus. You're a chap big man.
Look at this. Oh, come on.
Well, that's not necessary. Mr. Officer, hold on. You don't have to jump the fence. We can just walk through the gate right as a son. Yeah, man. Just, yeah.
Come out, Hoodlum, before I have to shut you. I have strong evidence. Come out.
How that?
It is the police.
How Hoodlum there?
Miss, come out of the house. Come outside.
I'm here call Hoodlum.
Then who else I'm talking to?
I look for you, Hoodlum.
Miss, do not make me have to shut you a long time. I want to shoot somebody, you know.
You can't shoot me, no, me have my rights.
Miss, step outside.
When I step outside for officer? You know, say I interrupt me and my son dead in a door.
Miss Hoodlum, you don't realize I have a firearm and I have never used it. It is brand new. So just give me a reason to shoot you.
Oh,
boss. Shoot him.
Alright, sir, just stop your eyes around us.
so me, you want use it, pan? Me woulda wrong and strong if me make you kill me with that. You see how you Brutus? Why you in the same clothes for the last 3 months now? What change? That's why your head top peel out.
Miss, calm down. Just right now, you give me one reason for shot you, you know. I really want to shot you, you know. And just because right now, a long time I want to type, you know. Miss,
So you look mismatched. You favor Skittles.
I gonna need you for hold me back, you know.
Shoot him, boss. Shoot him.
Miss, come out to the people in place. May I give you 3 seconds. 1, 2.
10. Sir, give me a second there, here. Me a
No,
go in
it
here,
tap.
so.
Come.
Come go for me clothes then.
You don't say you really want me to shoot you. Miss, come out to the people in place. Come out.
Wait now, man. I mean, no want you touch me, no.
Me not touch you because me not put me on par ladies. Move.
Me have,
Move.
me have sugar and salt, you know, sir. So mine, you make me drop down. Mine, I send up me salt, sky high, you know. Oh.
And you then call wrong and strong hard.
I miss same one, man. You see how you Brutus? You not done yet. That's how your head top look, so. Pitchy patchy.
What? Thank you, Mr. Officer. Finally get rid of this look up. Sitting out of my place. Boss, man. The bad mind me about this man.
Just make sure you have the money later, you know.
But I'm pay you already.
Which pay? Me don't remember no pay. Just have your pay ready.
No, me lock the door.
Who else have this handicap walk here? We can't I'm not trying to hey, good friends, man. I'm not trying to I'm not trying to
Alright, come back again. Ready? And action.
Who else have this handicap walk here? Are we a handicap? Am I a handicap?
No.
Eh? This is a bigger brother, you know?
Alright, let's close. I have one last thing. Let's close. You ready now, Johnny? Alright, no talking. Stay ready. Ready now, and action. Well, I'll put myself in the first, Bob.
Let me ask you. Can I ask you a question, sir?
Yes,
What is your name?
Officer Cockett.
The AC you're catching a bathroom.
So this for? And off.
Just for nothing.
The last time me there art school. No, I can't this art school. Eh? Jamal, yeah, man.
Last time Brutus make it.
Alright.
So later.
I remember no look the people and picnic.
Sit down. Where you go?
So I'll give you one money. Will you see a tenant? No, well on it. Anyone? And a son. I'm
going to sort this out.
Oh yeah, come on. Give me one drink then.
Me show him the AC in gun in the bathroom gang and fix the toilet bowl. The blood of Jesus. No one them bad. No one them bad. No one them bad. In public.
Connect.
He connect, not you. He connect. I jump in first and then Chad. And then me. I wanna start.
Connect.
Okay, that one rough. Ready?
Ready?
And
More on the bloopers there, I swear. You're gonna cut that bloopers there, send it out.
Ready?
ready?
Wait first. Wait first.
And action.
Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, "Oh, me no need that, me no need that." It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic.